For number 1, we're trying to find the critical numbers. Now, these happen where the derivative is equal to 0 or undefined. So our first step is going to be to take the derivative. So f prime is going to be equal to 10x plus 3. So then our next step is going to be to set this derivative equal to 0 and solve. So 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. And then if we subtract 3 from both sides, 10x is going to be equal to negative 3. And then if we divide both sides by 10, then x is equal to negative 3 over 10. So this would be our critical number for this problem.